into your fighting positions. It doesn't matter if you're orthodox or southpaw. This drill can be done by both parties. Now, when you're in your fighting positions, you're going to jab forward, cross back, hook, pivot. Alright, I'm going to slow that down for you again. So, you start off in your fighting positions. You're going to jab forward. See how I'm jabbed forward? When this arm retracts, you go back into your natural position, right? And then when you cross back, when this hand shoots out, your leg shoots out. So, shoots out, bring back in, alright? Alright, and when you hook pivot, when you're going to throw that hook, you're stepping, right? And when it's here, boom, like that. Let's do it again. So, jab forward, cross back, hook, pivot. And now, switch it up. When you're here, don't go back to the same position. Jab forward, cross back, hook, pivot, right? Same with this way. Jab forward, cross back, hook, pivot. And then keep mixing it up. If you went this way already, now go hook, pivot the other way. And just keep mixing it up, mixing it up, mixing it up. And then you can have fun with it. You can speed it up. So, get a little bit of bounce, right? Jab forward, cross. Right? Mix it up, have fun with it. But before you have fun with it, make sure your foundation is solid. And what I mean by foundation solid is jab forward, cross back, hook, pivot. Alright? Make sure that is solid. So every time you throw the punch, when you hook jab forward, your shoulder is protecting your chin, the other hand's up, it's coming straight across from the bottom of your eye socket. You know it's good, right? Same with your cross back. Oh, make sure your chin is tucked in between your shoulder and your chest. The other hand's up, protecting. Same with the hook. You want to make sure it's a beautiful aligned hook. Everything is good, right? Before you get fancy. Give that a try and make sure you like, share, and subscribe.